Welcome to my channel, The World of Microsoft. First, paste your picture. Right-click on it, and click on Cut. Make a triangle and place it in the place shown. Ctrl D to duplicate it. Right-click on the duplicated shape and click on Format Shape. Increase rotation to 270 degrees. Now do as shown. Again click Ctrl D to duplicate it. Now go to Rotate and click on Flip vertically. Keep it in the place shown. Select all of them and right-click on them, group them. Right-click on the grouped shape and click on Format Shape. Click on Picture and Texture Fill. Now adjust it to make it look better. Add a text box and write your text in it. Select the font, Impact, to make it look good. Increase the size of the text and write your text. Select a good combination of text colors to make it look beautiful. Adjust your text. Place the text in middle. Select the picture and go to Animations tab. Motion paths and click on Line Animation. Move it outside of the slide towards right. Go to Effect Options and click on Left. Adjust it properly. Now move the text box out of the slide towards left. Apply the animation line for the text box too. Go to Effect Options and click on Right. Now adjust it in correct place. Make it with previous. Go to Animation pane, press Shift key on your keyboard and select both of them. Right-click on it and click Effect Options. Increase smooth end completely. Now you are done with your presentation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.